Hi guys, so a friend of mine came to my DM after watching my pedicure video, and she was like, what can she do to soften her foot or to take care of her dead skin if she can't actually go for pedicure, if she doesn't have the time because she's working and all of that. So I decided to make this video in case of you're in that situation. So in case you have strong foot and you don't know how to make it soft, or you seriously want to get rid of your dead skin at the back of your foot but you don't know how to do it. Okay, so first, after bathing at night, you get Vaseline petroleum jelly and you apply it to your feet. You rub it very well, enough petroleum jelly, so you just apply it to your feet, under, on top, the side, the back, corner, everywhere. So apply enough petroleum jelly to your feet, then get a socks or stocking. So I don't know how to call it. Anyone you call it, just get a socks and you wear it and then you sleep with it overnight. So you do this on both feet and then you sleep with the socks on and the petroleum jelly on. You sleep with it overnight. So most people don't like applying petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline, to their skin because petroleum jelly is made of chemical. So because of that, they don't like applying petroleum jelly to their skin. So I'll be making a video for those people that want to make their feet soft but they don't want to use petroleum jelly. So I'll be making another video for those set of people. But for this video, this is the video for people that are comfortable with applying petroleum jelly on their skin. So yes, you have to rub it on your feet and you have to wear stockings or socks with it, and then you sleep with it like that. So you do that on both legs and you sleep with it. Then the next morning you would notice your feet or your foot is already soft. Your feet will be soft by the next morning. So yeah, I'm going to show you what to do next. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, let us know what you think about rubbing petroleum jelly on your feet. Let us know if you've tried this before, if it actually worked for you. Let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, don't forget to share this video so that someone who is having issues with strong feet or strong foot, or somebody that wants to take care of dead skin but they don't have the time or the patience to go for pedicure, would actually know what to do. So please help us share this video so that people like that can come across the video and then they would know what to do. So you just sleep with this throughout to the next morning. So this isn't actually disturbing your work or anything because you just baked in the night and you apply it quickly, you put on your socks and then you sleep. So yeah, this is petroleum jelly. So after that, the next morning your feet or your foot will be soft already, and now you can use something like this, a feet remover or feet filer, I don't know how to call it. So you just use it at the back of your foot, use it to take out the dead skin that will be soft by that time the next morning because of the petroleum jelly. So you just use this to scrape all the dead skin out of your feet. So that is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. So all we used was a foot filer, if I can call it that, petroleum jelly, and socks or stockings, anyone you want to call it. So yeah, that was all we used for this video. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.